In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve the connection timed out, error code 522 in Cloudflare. This can be quite a pesky issue, as it interrupts your connection to websites relying on Cloudflare's services. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the most common causes and how you can efficiently fix them. First, let's delve into why this error might be occurring. One of the primary reasons could be that your origin server is either offline or perhaps overloaded. Imagine trying to send a message to someone who's simply not at their desk, or they're swamped with messages and yours gets lost in the shuffle. This is similar to what happens with high CPU or RAM usage, or when a server crash or maintenance takes place. There's simply too much traffic reaching the server, overwhelming its capability to handle the requests. Another frequent culprit is the firewall. If your firewall is blocking Cloudflare's IP addresses, it's like building a brick wall in the middle of a highway, stopping all cars in their tracks. Security plugins, firewalls, or IP tables rules could all be contributors to this blockage. Now let's talk about DNS settings. Your DNS settings act like an address book, ensuring data travels to the correct destination. If the IP address in Cloudflare DNS doesn't match your server's actual IP, it's as if you've been given outdated directions. Additionally, Cloudflare's functioning relies on keep-alive connections to communicate effectively with the origin server. If these keep-alive connections are disabled, it's akin to dropping off a call too early. And finally, network routing issues could be causing packets to drop between Cloudflare and your hosting server. Think of this like a game of telephone where messages aren't getting through clearly. Now let's proceed to the solution phase of fixing error 522. The first step is to check if your server is online. Try opening the site directly using the server IP. This will help you determine if the issue is with the site or specifically related to Cloudflare. Additionally, you can ping the server or consider restarting the web server using options like Apache, Nginx, or Lightspeed. The next step involves verifying your DNS records. Make sure your A record in Cloudflare DNS aligns with the correct server IP. Thirdly, it's crucial to ensure that Cloudflare IPs are whitelisted. It's like ensuring your friends have a pass to bypass a bouncer at a club. Add all Cloudflare IP ranges to your server firewall allow list. Check various areas such as your CSF firewall, IP tables, UFW, or any hosting security tools you have in place. Lastly, check your server resources. Review the usage of CPU, RAM, and disk space. If you notice your server is frequently running into resource issues, it might be time to consider upgrading your hosting plan. By following these steps, you should be on the right path to resolving the connection timed out error, code 522, and ensuring a seamless online experience. Remember, the key is to systematically check each potential issue and address it accordingly. I hope this has been helpful, and as always, I'm here for any further questions you may have. Happy troubleshooting!